very excited to be to be here, to be part of the show, to pass on the crown, to watch the show, and to be you know what? No, it's not the end. Once a Binibining, always a Binibining. Thank you.
Proud of you, you know that. And I feel that Pia is an exceptional candidate that we had in the beginning. And when she decided from the first year to the third year be with us, it was something very easy for me to accept because I feel and I felt at that time that she was a special girl, dedicated to do her best. I remember the hours when you would stay after being with the other winners, and then they go home and you ask permission to stay. You wanted to watch the Miss Universe tapes. This girl is unbelievable. I think it made it easy for her to be Miss Universe because she's very special, and we are very, very proud of her. Welcome back here and continue being a special Miss Universe for them and for the world. And this country is very proud of you.
The media, friends of the press, the floor is wide open for your questions. Microphones are here, but remember to...
But you've been to so many functions, events, and other places. So, what is your, best achievement so far as Miss Universe?
Well, I'm not even halfway through my reading, but I can't say specifically what event, what trip, what lesson, or what endorsement, or what project I did that was most special. I think the best thing for me, the best compliment that I've ever received was from the Miss organization themselves when they said that they thought that I was very grateful and then that I'm very hardworking and very energetic, and sometimes they wonder where I get my energy from. To me, that's the best compliment. If your boss tells you that, Tia, you're our fuel, because that's what Ms. Paula said to me. Tia, you're giving us the energy. So, for my boss to tell me that, I think that's the best compliment. And I'm not even halfway through my year yet.
Okay, last question. A former Miss Philippines who almost bagged the Miss Universe crown. So during one-on-one interview that winning the Miss Universe crown is more of a destiny rather than determination, being prepared, and persistence. So what's your take on that?
That being Miss Universe is more of destiny. I think it's also true because that's what Miss Paula Sugar said to us when we were still candidates during Miss Universe. I think that was around day 3 or day 4, where it was our first